Pat Kennedy, president of Kennedy Tank and Manufacturing Company, Indianapolis, Indiana. We are a steel plate fabricator specializing in above ground and underground tanks, pressure vessels, heat exchangers, specialty fabrication, as well as a field arm.
I am Bill Kennedy, and I am the purchasing manager at Kennedy Tank. I'm a part of the 5th generation of Kennedys to work for Kennedy Tank. In the purchasing department, we had many issues with our old ERP system. Everything was clunky, it was difficult to get RFQs out, it was difficult to look up historical costs, what dollar amount I bought different materials for, and in receiving it was especially slow. We had to receive every purchase order line by line, and it almost took 2 men out there full time to get the job done.
For the past 30 years, we've used a custom-built software program. In mid-2014, we decided that we had far outgrown that particular system and went seeking for a solution to the modern day.
We have found Genius to be extremely easy to use. It is easy to send out RFQs and purchase orders in Genius. It's also easy to track incoming orders and to see historical costs on who to use for what material. Our receiving department is moving 3 times faster in Genius than we ever moved in our old ERP system. We are now able to use one system to receive all our material. Instead of using 2, we are now able to track heat numbers, manufacturers, and country of origin within Genius. This has saved us time and money.